Welcome back to Auto Garage, the place where horsepower meets passion and innovation takes the driver's seat. If you love fast cars, cutting-edge automotive tech, and the pure thrill of the open road, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance sedans of the future, the 2026 BMW M5. BMW's legendary M5 has always been a symbol of power, precision, and luxury all wrapped into one aggressive-looking package. And with the upcoming 2026 model, BMW isn't just sticking to tradition, they're rewriting the rulebook. This isn't just an evolution of the iconic M5, it's a revolution, and it's about to shake up the world of high-performance sedans like never before. At the heart of the 2026 BMW M5 is a completely re-engineered powertrain. BMW is blending its petrol-powered past with an electrified future, equipping the new M5 with a plug-in hybrid setup. Yes, you heard that right. The 2026 M5 will feature a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output rumored to be around 718 horsepower. That's more power than any M5 before it, and it promises to deliver blistering acceleration figures, with 0 to 60 miles per hour expected in just under 3 seconds. But it's not just about straight-line speed. BMW's M division has worked tirelessly to ensure that the new M5 retains the precise handling and dynamic feel enthusiasts have come to expect. Thanks to an advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive M suspension, and a finely tuned chassis, the 2026 M5 aims to offer both brutal performance and day-to-day comfort. Visually, the 2026 M5 takes an aggressive leap forward. Spy shots and early reveals hint at a more muscular stance, with flared wheel arches, larger air intakes, and a redesigned front grille that looks both modern and menacing. The rear is equally bold, with quad exhaust tips, a prominent diffuser, and sleek, updated taillights that give the car an unmistakably aggressive profile on the road. Step inside, and the cabin is expected to be a mix of high-tech luxury and motorsport-inspired details. A curved display that merges the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system will dominate the dashboard, running the latest iDrive 9 software. Expect carbon fiber trim, premium leather upholstery, and M-specific accents throughout the cabin, creating a driver-focused environment without sacrificing everyday practicality. What makes the 2026 BMW M5 truly exciting is how it balances tradition with innovation. It acknowledges its rich performance heritage while embracing the future of electrification, proving that you don't have to sacrifice soul-stirring performance for modern efficiency. So, is the 2026 BMW M5 shaping up to be the perfect performance sedan? It certainly looks like it. As we get closer to its official debut, we'll be keeping a close eye on every update and bringing it straight to you. That's it for today's video from Auto Garage. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the upcoming M5, don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts with us. And of course, subscribe for more high-octane automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and